Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off passcode on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down. Locate and click on Face ID and passcode. Now type in your current passcode. Scroll down the passcode page. Locate and click on Turn Passcode Off. Then you should see Turn Off Passcode. Click on Turn Off. Now go ahead and type in your Apple ID account password. After that, click on Turn Off. And then hang on. If your iPhone can confirm your Apple ID account password, then you'll be prompted to type in your current passcode again. And once that is confirmed, this is going to turn off your passcode. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn passcode off on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.